So now here is a new strategy that I've been working on, and I'm going to show you how you can make money trading with this strategy right away. So here it goes. So I can see the market going slightly to the upside, so we have here a bullish trend, but we are here kind of not moving that much. The market pushes just slightly to the upside. It's more like a consolidation pattern, but slightly to the upside, and we are sticking pretty close to the 200 EMA, and then we have this push right here. So now what I want to do is here somewhere draw a support line right around here, which is at the 200 EMA, and then I want the market to break here this area. So now if I let the market run right here, and hopefully the market breaks, so it's happening right here. The market broke the 200 EMA right here in this support area that I drew right here at this consolidation pattern. So here was the market break again. Here we had a break below the 200 EMA. The market went to the downside here, slightly went to the upside, forming kind of a bearish flag here somewhere at this area. Now we're breaking the structure, so now going back to the lower time frames here and looking for my trade where the market broke the structure. So here actually on the 50-minute chart, pretty much the same. Market went to the upside here, broke the 200 EMA, had something like two half moons like here, and then here the one coming back to this area. So this is now what I'm looking for on the 3-minute chart. So back to the 3-minute chart. So now here the 3-minute chart again, the market here formed kind of a half moon, maybe not really a half moon, but it formed this kind of pattern where we broke to the downside. So now what I'm looking for is below the 200 EMA, the market to break and then come back to the 200 EMA area. Now I want to pull back to somewhere around here, might be a little bit of a bigger area, but for now the market is breaking this structure, so let's see what happens once I let the market run. So now the market is coming back here, breaking to the downside. So here again I'm looking for something like this. So let's see what the market does here. So now I probably want the market to come to around here somewhere and then see what happens here. So let's zoom in a bit. So the market is now pushing further to the downside, which is here the pattern as we saw here. So now the market should come back to the 200 EMA. Let's see if it does. Pushing to the upside. So here somewhere now, market is coming back to my area. So now here we are pretty far away, but maybe now here somewhere I can find a trend line. Here is a pretty bearish momentum which broke this support area right here. Here is the upper part, which is here with this engulfing candlestick breaking this structure. So let's see again what the market gives me here. So now the market here kind of pushing to the downside. Here maybe a trend line being formed. Now looking for a nice entry right around here. Market pushing to the downside, now coming back up. Still not an entry for me, but maybe something will occur. So now if I zoom out a bit, we have a similar pattern here and here. Let's see what the market now does. So now I have here this break with this candlestick right here. Now the market coming back to here. If I draw my trend line now to here. So here now a pretty bearish candlestick at the 250 EMA. Let's see. So here now a second one, which here is kind of a trend line, might be one. So let's see what I can see here. So my entry would maybe be here at this candlestick. Stop loss slightly above the first one, which was this one right here. So now let's see what the market gives me. I broke here the 200 EMA, came back here, kind of once, twice here, this 3-time retest, which here was this whole structure right here. The market went to the downside. We broke here this area, so now here the cross. Market is pretty bearish. So here now just looking for a bearish sign, which in this case here was the 2 engulfing candlesticks. My take profit somewhere around here. So here one pretty engulfing candlestick followed by the second one breaking here the 50 EMA twice. So this would be here my entry point. At the same time here. So here I can draw a trend line right here where my last lower high was before the market broke the structure. So from here to here I have a 3-strike trend line. This engulfing, 2 engulfing bearish candlesticks. Market broke the 200 EMA here, saw the retest. So here is my entry point. Now let's see what the market does here. So breaking straight to the downside right here. Within a couple of minutes I hit my take profit of roughly 3.5, depends on my entry and exit, but somewhere around here. And then the market came to the upside here. Would have slightly gotten stopped out, but then the market moved further to the downside. So here this was the trade, the new strategy that I've been working on right here.